today we are going to do some pink. And I think all of these might be Maybelline again. Um, the darkest one that I have on my hand is the Vivid Hot Lacquer. And the number 76, which is Obsessed. The Super Stay 125. The next Super Stay is number 30, Romantic. Oh, and this one is not Maybelline. This one is, oh, Wet n Wild. This one is going to be 928B. Oh my dolly. Okay, and per usual, we're going to start with my darker color, which is the Hot Vivid Lacquer. And it is glossy. So everything else that I add will be matte. And I should have photos in this video. So and next is the Wet n Wild. And the reason why I layer so much is I have so many. And I think the color is always gorgeous when you layer it. It looks better to me. May not look better to you. You may not like it, but for me. And this one is going to be the 125. And then I'm going to end it with the 30 Romantic. And I hope you guys are staying safe during this pandemic. The coronavirus is no joke. And I really love this combination. I'm going to add some more of this 76, which is the Hot Velvet. Vivid Hot. I'm sorry. Just a little bit on. This is gorgeous. Oh, and my bracelets came from Sierra Sales. I love these bracelets. I waited and wore them a few times, washed with them, and I like for mine to tarnish a little bit. Let's see. Just trying to change the focus of my light. There you go. I just think this is so cute. I love wearing these color combinations. And let's add a little blush. Let's see. Washing your hands, staying safe in this pandemic is a must. Let's do this one. More like, not a blush, more like a highlight. I kind of like the oily, shiny look. I really do. That's why a lot of my highlights are gold and that bright gold, that bright white shimmer, or the iridescent. And I already have on some blush anyway. And actually, I got this one from Dollar Tree, and it's Beauty Benefits blush. And this is the color that it's a darker color. And I just put a little on earlier. And that's all I have for you today with this lip tutorial. And I just use like oil to take it off, because right now it's almost dry. Again, I use the Vivid Hot Lacquer and 76, the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, and 928B O'Dolly, the Super Stay 125. This one is Inspire, and the Super Stay 30 Romantic. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any brands you would like for me to try, I have, I think, about probably about 20 or 30 different lipstick and lip gloss brands that I'm gonna be showcasing here on my channel. So if you would like to see something that I haven't already posted, if you would like an honest review on them, just comment, like, and share. Subscribe, of course, and just let me know. And more than likely I already have it, and if I don't, I can always go out and get it. So thanks for your time, and stay safe, and wear your mask, and wash your hands, and spread love, not hate. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.